The Epson L130 is a compact and efficient inkjet printer, ideal for home and small office use. It has several important parts that work together to deliver high-quality prints. 1. Paper input tray. Located at the back, this tray holds the blank papers before printing. 2. Paper output tray. This is the front tray where the printed papers come out. 3. Ink tank system. Attached on the side, the L130 has an external ink tank system for easy refilling and cost-effective printing. 4. Ink tubes. These connect the ink tank to the print head, allowing smooth ink flow. 5. Print head. The print head sprays ink onto the paper to create text and images. 6. Control panel. A simple panel with power and resume, cancel buttons. 7. USB port. Located at the back, used to connect the printer to a computer. 8. Power cable port. Where the power cable is connected to the printer.